Challenging phasing industrial production are greater than even before. Production lifetime are greater, shortened cost and competitive pressure are increasing. In Vodafone Automotive, we have over 14 years of experience in vehicle security and telematics. We supply telematics units, parking gate and anti-theft system and components to partners and customers across the world, including vehicle manufacturers, insurance company and fleets. We have also important and durable relationship with a multitude of aftermarket partners. New automatic storage dedicated to electronic components linked with SMT assembly line, able to supply the correct required components in time, and also manage the component's traceability and highlight potential hidden quality issue like moisture sensitive. We are implementing the 3D vision system for new solder paste inspection and automatic optical inspection. This enables to manage the so-called automatic closed quality loop. We are implementing the full automatic lines linked with TPM to be reactive and reduce the key downtime. The new warehouse software will be implemented by the end of 2016. All our design, development and manufacturing processes are managed by our internal engineering team to guarantee the high quality, security and performance our customer demands. Each product functionality is thoroughly tested and certified in our own laboratories. Nearly 3 million products were manufactured last year in our 2,600 square meter production and warehouse site in Varese. Each electronic device and component is automatically traced by the process quality system. Quality and performance KPI are reviewed daily with engineering and operation team to ensure continuous improvement. We are regularly audited by vehicle manufacturers and Radar has key partners and suppliers. The high standards required by vehicle manufacturing are also a proof of quality for our aftermarket customers.